All right, fourth time's the charm.
Okay.
Nope, still good.
No. All right. There we go. Let's take a look out here. Hi. Hi, guys. I kind of got a fart. I think it's a fart. Just don't ride right behind me, Dan, just in case. Better than I ever did. Better than I ever. I'm still standing. Yeah. Breakfast of Champions, PBJ, protein bar.
$5 each.
Bunch of little children. Oh, that was a, what was that, Starbucks espresso?
Oh yeah, let me put that in here. I don't litter that.
Oh, that's so nasty.
But, I know, man. I'm not laughing.
It's just bleeding. It's just bloop, bloop. Oh, it's great. I think you have an operator issue. It's called a lack of talent. Oh! We're not good at this. We are really bad at this. You don't understand. Whee! Oh, put my right foot in. Fuck. Oh, that's Lutrum. You know that's illegal, right?
Holding a little boy's penis.
That's right, holding a little boy's penis. What the hell happened here? What the fuck happened here? You got it? You got it? Mentor, you gotta back it off the hill first. Help me. Yeah, do not get right. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Dan, you ran me off the road. Dan, you ran me off the fucking ledge because I thought you were gonna fall, so I slammed on my brakes. Now I gotta get up and out of it. Big time, Tony.
Yeah, that's some shit.
There you go, good line. Throttle, go. Don't lose your momentum. Oh, there's momentum. Good, Tony?
You good?
All right. Now.
You literally turn sideways.
Your front wheel was off the edge.
You're good. That was a little scary.
Yeah, it was. He'll tell you. He probably need. Do you have a change of underwear for him? He may need it. Other than the people that work with him.